Right, as you all know, we've got a 106 to play with at the minute, and it suffers from the same issue that Saxos do, namely sound deadening in the front footwells. It's a real pig to get out. I've tried all sorts over the years, heat guns, chemicals, all sorts. Nothing seems to do it. Sharp chisel, tons of hours of trying to sort it, nothing. So, I've seen a few videos on YouTube about using some of this freeze spray. So I went to Screwfix this morning, picked up the cheapest stuff I could. I thought I'd do a quick video and see if it works. I've not touched it yet, so this is like straight off the bat. Let's see what happens. So if I just turn you around, just in case, it's Arctic spray and a little chisel. That's all I'm going to use. Right, let's see if we can get you set up so you can see a bit better. Just, let's have a look. The screen's gone off. There we go. There we go. So you can see here, you try and get the chisel under, and it's rock hard. So they reckon this stuff you spray on, and away you go. So just in case, trusty mechanics gloves, get them on. It says don't breathe the fumes. No guts, no glory, eh? Let's give it a shake up and then seems to be going. Well, there we go. It's doing a little bit. I'm going to get a bigger chisel scraper, I think, and might need another can or two, which at 17 quid a piece is a bit more expensive than getting the heat gun on, but if it works a bit better with a bigger chisel, might be worth a try. So there you go. So the spray was good. Used all that up. I found actually the best way of doing it is probably leave the car in the sunshine with no carpets on for a few years, and it goes quite brittle. I've used that on that can of stuff on pretty much this bit. You really don't get much in those cans at all. If you can find them cheaper than 17 quid for a 75mm can or whatever that was, then it'd probably be an alright option. But what I found is actually, if I just bash away at it gently with the chisel, it comes up in like that anyway. So I'm going in with the head of the chisel sort of flat, you know, 45 odd-ish degrees. And it's bringing it up okay as it is. And then with this, I'll just go over afterwards. And again, bit of elbow grease, you'll be alright. I'll leave this in a like time-lapsey, fast-forwardy thing and see how much longer it takes me. I'm going to take my jumper off though, because the sun's just come out and it's warmed up a bit. Lovely. Oh yeah, your maid mugs. My maid mug's fading a little bit now, so I think we'll probably do another run on them soon, if anybody wants one. If anybody can get them made for cheaper than £5 a piece as well, let me know. We'll sell them on at, you know, cover postage. You can have some cups. Right, here we go. Oh, he's still running. Yeah, so there you go. So that took me 15 minutes. The brew's not even gone cold. So whoever's recommended freeze spray, can all chip in and I'll have my 16 quid back. I've not even broke a sweat. It's not that tricky. Obviously, ideally, wear some goggles. Stuff does bounce around quite a bit, as you probably could see. Yeah, it's pretty simple really. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. Hence buying the spray to start with. So I'll finish my brew, take the seat out the other side, and get that other side done as well. Then I'll clear that piece up. Shouldn't be too bad. Job done. Whiz over with a wire wheel. Give it a lick of paint. And it's good to go. Hope that's helped somebody out there. Right, cheers then, see you later.